Meaning of genetic code.
Genetic code.
Genetic code.
Genetic code.
Genetic code. The genetic code is a set of rules that determines how the DNA sequence is translated into the amino acid sequence of a protein. It's essentially a language that cells use to communicate and create proteins, the building blocks of life. The code is made up of a series of three-letter sequences called codons, each of which specifies a particular amino acid. There are 64 possible codons, but only 20 amino acids. This redundancy allows for some flexibility and error correction in the process of protein synthesis. The genetic code is a fundamental concept in genetics and molecular biology.